Okay, part two. So, anyways, where we left off is we're going to be making the end. So, understand, remember, after we have our lines aligned back up to the vanishing point on each side, then we wanted to make sure we make the vertical lines of our end, right? And so you see it's going to be a little bit different because from there. Now, what we need to do is our last part where we're showing you is that we're going to take the opposite end corners, line them up with the vanishing point, and there. Now, we did everything except for we didn't do it on the bottom there. So see, we have to give even the bottom there its depth. So I take that, and then I can then go ahead and make my vertical line how big I want it to be. All right. Let's go ahead and then we will tackle the next page. Okay, next page. What you guys need to do is we're going to be putting our everyday objects into 2-point perspective. So we have the table, the desk already done for us. Now the table, same situation. We're going to go ahead. It's going to be the corners of the table. Okay, we're going to line them back up with the vanishing point like we did here. And then what's going to happen is we make the side of the table. We do the top. We line the top up. Okay, with the vanishing point just like this. Top up with the vanishing point just like that. Alright, let's now let's do this one with the TV, okay, on the table there. So the bottom part, if you didn't notice it, the bottom part is supposed to be the one side of the table there. So line that back up with the vanishing point. And then we're going to go ahead and take in the bottom here, line that up with the vanishing point. And then this side, line up the vanishing point. And then this side here too. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we'll make our table. Go ahead, make the vertical lines. And how big do you want your TV screen to be? So we're going to do the same thing too with our TV, okay? TV, this is the side of the table. Line that up. And I'm going to just stop right here because that's how big my table is going to be. Same thing too, okay? Now remember, I don't have to make it too thick. This is not 1990s TV. This is, of course, alright. I do it just to make it that long. And then I go ahead. After we're done, I can do it on each side. Then, like we said, is make our vertical lines. So we make the sides of a TV. You can add some of the details. Okay. So it's floating, so we better put this on stilts. We need to go ahead and make the back end of the table. So we can go ahead, add extensions to it to make it look like it's standing on top of this table. Add some buttons, whatever that might be. Alright, and then you're good to go. Alright. Now, last one is gonna be here. So a couple things here. When you guys are doing is your steps. Think about your steps is gonna be is in 2-point perspective. We go ahead and the steps, we're gonna go ahead line those up with the vanishing point. As you're going through it, think about this, right? We're gonna have those vertical lines on the side of the steps. So the vertical lines on the side of the steps, and then as they continue, then you go from there. Okay. Same thing too, right? The tops of the corners of the vanishing points will then line up. All right. And you can see here on the car, the bed of the truck, okay, lines back up the vanishing point. The top of it lines back up the vanishing point. All this stuff goes together. So this is how we make things into 2-point perspective. All right. Good luck.